Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL U. In this video I'll show you location of the drive motor code in this car. Usually drive motor code is located somewhere on the engine. The visibility can be tricky and it can be hidden under or behind. But in BYD, actually they added sticker where can you find drive motor code. The first sticker is located right here. Here we can find drive motor code number and drive motor model. This is for the front motor, and here you can find the sticker for the rear drive motor number and rear drive motor model. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.